India is started to be the diabetes capital by maybe 2015 or 2020. So what are the opportunities you foresee for a company like Roche Diagnostics in this huge market potential? What are the opportunities?
Okay, first of all, this is a very wrong way of looking from a social point of view, that when diabetes is increasing and you look this as an opportunity, but then business is about business. So in Roche Diagnostics, we have a separate independent business unit called Roche Diabetes Care, who focuses on the diabetes management. Basically, we don't treat diabetes, but we help manage diabetes. So as the population of the patient living with the diabetes increases in India, so the potential of the market is definitely going to grow very big. Next is the market itself. The testing frequency with which people come to know the stage they are in is very low currently. So as the awareness grows up, and as the disease becomes much more bigger, and the government and other allied the companies and doctors, the patient groups, they start focusing on it, the awareness grows. So that itself is give another fillip to the market. So it's about the growth which we call in width as well as in depth. So both ways I can see a huge growth in the coming years.
You mentioned managed diabetes. How is it done?
Okay, first of all, diabetes is about a sugar level which is supposed to be within a band. So if you are, let's say for your fasting, your sugar level should be between 70 to 110 milligram per deciliter. So everybody has blood sugar. I have a blood sugar within my blood. You also have a blood sugar in your blood. But if the sugar goes above this or below this, then the problem starts. And that's what we call diabetes. If it's go above, it's a hyper, and if it is go below, it's a hypo. So both are diabetic conditions. So in order to know whether your sugar levels are within that band, you need to measure it. Otherwise, there is no way you can know it. So that's where we come in and help people regularly measure and thereby monitor their blood sugar levels. So it's measuring during the fasting level, then measuring during the PP, which is 2 hours after the meal. So what is the effect of the meal? Then measuring at standard any time during the day, which is random. So basically we help them measure and monitor their blood sugar levels during the course of the day, and thereby help the patient take decisions and manage their diabetes. Take that information. Now this is the patient. And when the patient takes this information to their doctors, the doctors sees it, and they can then decide which is the best treatment outcome. Like you can have your insulin doses titrated based on how sugar levels have fluctuated. So that's how we call that. We help people manage diabetes.
Okay, so managing diabetes. So what are the products offered by Roche Diagnostics for this purpose?
Okay, we offer basically 2 lines. One is the blood glucose monitor and strips, and the second is the insulin delivery systems. So the blood glucose monitoring is about the blood glucose meter and the strips through which we can test your blood sugar levels at any point of time. And the insulin delivery system is a machine with a remote controller which is fit into your body and fixed it there, and gives a regular dose of insulin as it is titrated and programmed. and the remote controller is used to even titrate, shoot up the bolus dosage. So you need not actually do it on the machine. This is very much advantageous even for young children. So the parent can actually do it while even the child is playing. So these are basically two broad lines, and under that there are various technologies are there in the blood glucose meters. So those are sub products, but basically if you ask about product lines, these are the two major lines.
The second one, is it already launched in India?
Yes, the AccuCheck combo system is already launched in India and available more or less in all major cities.
Now, do you offer any personalized counseling for diabetic patients for using your products, while using your products?
No. If you ask about personalized counseling, it's no. But what we offer is, we have a website where you can log in and you can check for yourself what does diabetes mean, what are the various conditions of diabetes, and what precautions you can take for diabetes. Then for our meter, we have got meter training videos uploaded, so you can exactly know how do you use a meter, and if there are troubleshootings, how you can do it yourself. So we have all of that. Then we have a call center where we take calls from patients, and if there are any specific queries, we take the queries and we send them a reply later on email. But on a direct counseling we still do not have. But in the future, what we plan to have it that we have to plan to have a call center which will be equipped with dietitians, equipped with a doctor, and anybody can call up and ask questions or ask for counseling, something of what you mean by patient counseling. So currently we don't have it in a structured fashion, but in the future delivery systems are very personalized marketing. So we have the doctor who finally determines whether the patient needs an insulin delivery system or not, and once the doctor decides and fixes up the patient, then the doctor gives us a call. So we visit the patient, we put them on a trial pump. So the patient actually gets the feel of how to use the pump, and it's not a very good experience, by the way. Mm-hmm. So, and when somebody was asked to put on a pump, psychologically the patient is also not in a good state. So at least if the patient feels that no, well, this is a good thing, it's working, I'm feeling better, it's not much of a hassle. So after the trial period is over, if the patient finally decides that, well, he or she needs to take a pump, so then we go ahead and install the pump. So that's how we make it. And then the patient is given our toll-free customer care center. And also if we have a person in the city, we give the person's mobile number as well. So in case of any urgency, anything, either the call center or the person can be called up, and we go and help the patient out.
What's the cost of this equipment?
The equipment cost is roughly around 1.5 lakhs plus taxes. So, but we also, based on the doctors and the socio-economic conditions of the patient, we try and help out with some kind of a discount as well.
And what kind of challenges you face when it comes to pricing of such a...
The challenges we face is that some of the patient, they feel that whether it is worth it. So the second is that they're anyway psychologically not very happy when they are told that they need to be put on a pump. So they want to make sure that they will be able to cope up with it. It's something which will be stuck to their body for some time. So these are the challenges. So one of the better ways to go about it is that we give them a trial pump, and it's free of cost, so they can have a touch and feel of it. The thing on the price is that we try and convince the patient on the pricing. So if it's a really issue and the doctor also recommends that the patient is not very well off, so we try and give some discounts. We're also thinking of some other innovative methodology, maybe tying up with banks and credit card companies to give let's say 12-month EMI, interest-free EMI, so the monthly burden greatly reduces for the patient. So this is something we are thinking of. We are trying to talk to a couple of banks or credit card companies that we pay the interest and you give the patient interest-free EMI.
Do you have any network with the hospitals? Specific hospitals to market this product?
No, the thing is, this is such a personalized product. You can't get it through hospitals. It has to be with the clinician. The clinician needs to first get convinced that the patient needs to be on insulin pump. So in India, due to the social fabric we have, they try to postpone it to the extent possible. Finally, when it doesn't work, then only the clinician decides the patient has to be put on a pump.
But Siddharth, what are the actual factors for that clinicians would look at when they want to tell you that this person needs your...
Okay, first is the number of injections required is multiple. The person might be a kid and hence it's very difficult to give those injections in school and while playing time.
Non-compliance also.
Non-compliance also. So finally the clinician decides that this might be dangerous and at times the patient might get into a hypo and collapse. So that is the time, taking the risk which the patient might have, they decide to go on a pump, because the pump is a regularly preloaded and decided dosage. At the same time, if there is something which is going wrong, you have a remote and you can give the bolus dose immediately. Suppose the patient has taken much more food than the normal intake is. So the bolus advisor can be used to tell the patient how much additional quantity of insulin needs to be taken. And the bolus advisor actually calculates it. So you tell that approximately I have taken 400 grams of carb additional. So the bolus advisor will tell you, so you need this much amount of insulin, more. So you program it, say yes, and that's it.
But Siddharth, nowhere in the world has it happened that it is automatically done without all this human intervention. Just like the Alec of Langerhans understands, okay, your sugar is going up, so pump more insulin. And if sugar is coming down, then stop the insulin.
I think technology, we need still to catch up to that level. The technology says that we have come to a technology where if there is a hypo, the pump sets up an alarm.
Okay.
So if the sugar levels have gone down and the insulin is not adequate, it will not pump in the additional insulin, but it will set off an alarm. Till that we have advanced the technology, but the technology does not take into account that automatically it will take a decision and pump in the insulin or reduce the insulin, whichever way it goes.
Where has this product come from? US? Sweden?
No, this product is manufactured in Germany.
Germany. Why? So the technology is from Germany.
We are a Swiss German company.
No.
So all our technologies are generally from, and this business is acquired for Boehringer Ingelheim, which is a German company based out of Mannheim. So currently also our headquarters for the diabetes care is in Mannheim, and generally all these products are manufactured, and all the scientific and the technological innovations happens in Germany only, and it's an entirely imported model, so we import from that.